It is important to winterize your HTI over the winter or during the off-season when your unit will not be used for extended periods of time. To winterize your HTI, you should follow these steps to increase the longevity of your unit. Thoroughly rinse out your HTI with warm water. Then run 10 cycles of air through your HTI unit or until it is completely dry. Be sure not to exceed 100 psi. Remove and clean your filter and leave it out of the assembly to dry. Failure to remove the filter can cause issues with the unit, such as cracking of the housing that it sits in. Next, you want to make sure to clean the 4-hole injection tip with a small brush to make sure it is clear of any debris. And finally, hang up your HTI to let it dry and let any remaining liquid drain free from the unit. And those are some basic maintenance and troubleshooting tips for your HTI 2000 soil injection unit.